Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the smoothed RSI. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the smoothed RSI. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 38 different strategies, with 11 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 462 indicators, with 192 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos, see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test these indicators and strategies mostly on Forex, but they can be applied to just about any market, crypto, regular stock market, whatever you want to apply them to. They are pretty universal. All right, so today's indicator is the smoothed RSI. This is by John Ehlers. Well, it is John Ehlers' version of the smoothed RSI. This isn't actually coded by John Ehlers. It's coded by one of the TradingView members. And so the setup on this is going to be just like we tested the standard RSI. So we're going to wait for the RSI line to go either above the grayed out area, meaning that it is in a overbought territory, and then we're going to wait for that RSI line to then come back into the middle gray area, and that will be a short signal. On the opposite side, we're going to wait for the RSI to break down below into the oversold area, and then we're going to wait for that line to break back up into the middle gray area. That's going to be a long signal. And so let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal was a long signal. You can see here, RSI dropped below and then came back into that middle area right there. We were able to squeeze out, take profit on this little move right here before it dropped back down and then went up even higher right there. Over here on this side though, we pick up a short, and almost immediately price action starts to push its way back up really hard there, and that does stop us out. So let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so we pick up a short signal right here on this one. Get a little push to up to our stop there, but we're able to avoid getting stopped out before it pushes down right here. Barely hits the take profit. Then over here on this one, we get a long signal right there as the RSI line pushes up from the bottom. And you can see that we get a nice little push to the upside right there that gets us to take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And the patrons love being able to follow along in their own accounts with those trades. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Recently, we had those converted over also into an Excel sheet. And so you'll have the Excel sheet and a PDF of all the indicators showing exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Our admin Rob has been posting almost everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to his scanner, he will post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and be able to take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing is one of our members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have been creating a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons. These are invite only indicators. These are not open to the public. You're only allowed to have these if you are in the inner circle to get access to those as a patron. And they are also working on turning them into bots. And so as they develop that and turn them into bots, they'll also be giving access to all the patrons as well. And so there's tons of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's take a look what we got going on here. There. All right, let's count these out and see what we get. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We have 14 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 winning trades. So that is a really decent win rate, a reasonable number of trades within a year as well. And so the RSI, I think this did even better than the standard RSI, if I'm not mistaken. I think the standard RSI only did in the 60s, and so this one did considerably better than that one. And so not too bad of an indicator at all, to say the least. We will definitely be putting this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.